My name is Malala, and I was born in Pakistan. From a young age, I loved going to school. Learning new things made me happy. But in my country, some people believe that girls should not go to school. One day, everything changed. A group of dangerous men said, girls should stay at home, no more school. Many girls were scared and stopped going. But I refused to be silent. I started speaking out, telling the world that education is a right for everyone. My voice became louder, and more people started listening. But not everyone was happy. One terrible day, when I was just 15 years old, something horrible happened. I was sitting in a school bus when a man with a gun stopped us. He asked, "Who is Malala?" Then he shot me. Everything went dark. I woke up in a hospital far from home. The doctors told me, "You survived." Instead of being scared, I became stronger. I knew I had a mission to fight for education for every girl in the world. Years later, my voice reached the world. I won the Nobel Peace Prize, becoming the youngest person in history to receive it. Today, I continue to fight for education because I believe that one child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. No matter how small you think your voice is, it can create a big change. Never be afraid to stand up for what is right. Do you believe education can change the world? Let me know in the comments. And if you love inspiring stories, subscribe for more.